So,
Brother Lewis has joined me.
So, at the end of the last video, I said it's a big contradiction because he's like, "Oh, this car is too fast for me to handle. Like, I'm scared to drive it." Meanwhile, he got this thing. After I got my SC300, my cousin has a Supra, my Supra. My uncle has a Supra, and then I was like, I've been fiending for a SC300 for a while. So basically, the 2J aspect of things. And then I told him I got it. I actually bought it. I bought 2 cars in a row. Mm. He's like, I want to boost whatever 2J, but and then this deal just came up out of nowhere. It just like fell in his lap with like all the 2J talk going on. Then this thing came, and this was originally, well, not originally, before he got it. It was a full running 1.5 JZ automatic swap 330
CI.
330 CI. So basically the engine and trans are out of it because it was automatic. So now it's going to be manual. You got a W58 that you're going to be putting in here
for starters.
A lot of people, especially the SC300s and the Supras, they go high horsepower with the W58. It's a weaker transmission, and they say like it's only good for like 400 or 500.
If you're planning on launching it,
yeah, but if we're not planning on like maybe we'll put these things sideways a little bit because I'm also going to be doing W58 on my car. Maybe it'll go sideways a little bit, but maybe like a burnout here and there. But we're never going to like launch all the power straight to the rear end, or through the trans. So like I don't think it's going to be a big deal. People just over exaggerate the weakness of the transmission. So there's a lot of people out there with 700-800 horsepower. I don't know how much his horsepower goal is.
6.
I know I'm going 6 or bust.
Yeah, I want to go with a reliable 6, and I don't remember the build on that motor now, but I think the car was making very. So he's gonna be making
a little less than the power than the Supra. So for him to be like, "Oh, I'm so scared. This car is just crazy."
Well, that's because it's not my car. If I lose control of that car and I crash that car, that's my standpoint. I'm like, this is not a $5,000 Civic where I could crash it. Look, I'm sorry. Let me get you another Civic. That's a very expensive car.
Cousin Eric said beat the car, and unfortunately it was raining because he wanted me to do a whole lot of like.
If it wasn't raining, I wanted to do the anti-lag on that car.
He said he should have done it on the bridge, the opening clip on the last video. He just wanted me to just hold that button down and just rev that engine all the way up. So now I get that aspect of it. So basically, this car is going to be a high horsepower. I think. Not that it matters, but I think we're going to be the first YouTubers to do it.
With the W50.
Doesn't matter. We're going to be the first ones.
Number 1. Well, first one's in 2021.
Yeah, exactly. Like first one in July or whatever. We're going to be the first one. So we just want I think this will bring a lot of like people towards us.
Publicity, yeah.
And it'll bring us to where we need to be as a channel. And it'll also teach us a lot of, I think once we could conquer something like this, we're like open to taking anything.
100%. I'm gonna be honest, like this
is like if you think about it, like YouTubers do like crash cars or like half put together cars. Like we're taking like a half put together car, but we're kind of revamping it and then pushing it to like the next level. Because this car is a stock body car.
did put power to the car. I'll show you guys what I can and can't do with the car right now. But basically, trunk is clean. Some stuff over there. The stuff I put underneath. I'm gonna have to vacuum this out. I just didn't bring the vacuum with us from the other garage. I want to know what the hell this is. Like a piece of copper. Whatever. This car's full of surprises. So let me put this right here. Just temporarily secured it up there. Now making our way back here. I was the one that opened this window. The car was sitting with everything closed. The one thing that is pretty upsetting, I don't know how expensive it's gonna be, is gonna be the I don't have a master key to the car, so I only have a valet key. Sucks, but I mean, it is what it is. In the interior, these are parts for the motor that are gonna be going in. I believe it's just a clutch kit. I'm not gonna be using it. I'm not using a used throwout bearing. You have the disc. Don't know if it's new or used. It looks new, but I could be wrong. So if anybody could tell me the brand or anything, greatly appreciated. That's the disc. This is the, I don't want to drop that on my foot, but this is the flywheel and pressure plate. For the bay, I'm not touching it right now. I do want to give it a good wash. It's hard to even see in here, so I'm not even gonna waste your time with that. But I got like a bunch of stuff that I honestly don't know. This looks like a fuse box cover. Yamaha timing cover. This is a shifter arm. Keeping this. I'll put this up top with all the rest of the parts that I'm keeping. Don't really see anything else that really interests my attention. I see a piece of a title. I'll put this there. These are the manual pedal sets. So I got the clutch pedal, gas pedal. Yeah, I honestly, in case for anybody who's watching this that hasn't done this, I haven't done it either. But from what the videos I've seen, to install the clutch set is actually pretty easy. If we come over here and this nipple right here on the brake booster is you were just hooking a line onto there for the clutch pedal assembly, and that's how it's ran. So that's good. That's good. Stuff. This looks like a radio kit. So this legitimately looks like a radio kit. Yeah. Not that I feel like I'm gonna use any of that crap, but we'll see. I don't wanna. All right, let me just pick up the trash real quick, touch base with you guys. The interior is actually pretty clean. It does need a full detail. Don't know, we're currently blocked in. That was my intentions for today. I would have gone on and just got the vacuum. At this point, I just want to organize the stuff that we know we're gonna need, throw out the stuff that we know we absolutely don't need, and keep moving forward. I'm gonna give you guys an overview on the car once it's complete. I threw my currently raggedy lighting setup. This is my brother's light, and I'm just cleaning up. Interior's pretty much cleaned up. Not that you can see much back there, but essentially, interior's overall pretty clean. Driver's side seat, driver's side door panel do need to be replaced, which is fine. I was expecting it to be a lot worse, to be honest. I already got some ideas as to what I'm doing with the radio. We'll address that later on. Enough of that. Look, we're excited to introduce you guys to this platform. Next time you see this car, it may be a couple weeks, but we're gonna work on just setting up the motor in the engine bay, which I also told you guys the whole front clip was built on this car. I've never had a car that does that.
Oh, so that's so easy.
We're just gonna slide that thing.
I thought the SC was like that too, but it's not.
Yeah, so I'm actually I'm excited for that. The car, you guys saw the intercooler. Well, probably in the cinematics you see the intercooler. I don't know if we introduced it before that. We're also working on our content, producing better content. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Yeah, and look forward to what's to come. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. It's Uppers Build on Instagram.
And
comment, like, and subscribe.
There you go. Thank you guys for watching. We're going to catch you guys next time.